Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage retirement savings with Principal Financial easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Principal Financial website. Locate the retirement savings section on the homepage. Click on the link for managing retirement accounts. Create an account if you don't have one already. Provide your personal information, including your name and email address. Set a strong password to ensure your account's security. Log in to your new account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to view your retirement savings options. Choose the type of retirement account you would like to manage. Review your current balance and performance metrics. Click on the Contributions tab to set up or adjust your contributions. Select a contribution amount that fits your budget and goals. Choose the frequency of your contributions, whether it be monthly, quarterly, or annually. Next, explore investment options by clicking on the Investments tab. Analyze the funds available to you, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Use the risk assessment tool to determine your risk tolerance. Based on your risk tolerance, select investment options that align with your financial goals. Review the selected investments and confirm your choices. Return to the dashboard to monitor your investment performance regularly. Utilize the Resources section for educational materials and market insights. Consider setting up alerts for market changes that could impact your investments. If necessary, consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Plan for periodic reviews of your retirement savings strategy. Adjust your contributions and investments as your financial situation evolves. Stay informed about retirement savings tips and strategies through Principal Financial's newsletters and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.